Okay, greeting guys. Just a quick video. Every house should have a fire blanket, and everyone in the house should be trained on how to use this fire blanket. Hence, please find this video useful. So we have to place the fire blanket in a position where it is very convenient to use it in case of a fire occurrence. So in this case, we are going to simulate now there is a fire hazard and how we are going to use this blanket. So simply just pull this, immediately open the blanket, right? And you just cover on the fire. Cover on the fire such that you discard the oxygen supply. Once that happens, remove it. You see the fire goes off, and you quickly turn off the fire stove. And this fire blanket is made of a special material, it will not get burned. So the fire blanket is 1 meter by 1 meter, right? So get your fire blankets now. So we are going to show you how do you diagnose your gas regulator, whether it is faulty or not. So you have your gas regulator here, okay, mounted to your gas. So this thing is now mounted to your gas, right? So you mount it, and of course you on it, right? So you put it in and you on it now. So you see there is leakage, the gas is coming out. When I on it, the gas comes out, okay? In general practice, this should not happen. So when there is any leakage, automatically this thing will cut off. So when you see now, if I already on and I disconnect the hose from the cooking stove, it's leaking, okay? So I'm just going to quickly off it. Now I can confirm this thing is spoiled. So we got a new regulator here, okay? It comes with an indicator, right? So I'm going to plug it now. Okay, I'm going to plug it in. Okay, so it's already in. Now I'm going to switch it on. Okay, so look at the indicator. So this is already on. Indicator is showing at yellow, meaning which this tank contains half of the gas. However, there is no gas coming out. Simply means that now this is already open loop, or in other words, it is subjected to leakage. Hence, the sensor recognizes it and it prevents the gas from flowing. So this is a good regulator. That is how you check your regulator. However, please be careful. In the event of checking your regulator, and if your regulator is faulty, your gas is leaking, please do not light any flammable item in the vicinity, or not an unexpected accident can happen. Or leave it to the experts to check for you. Right? Hope this video has benefited you in a way. Stay tuned for the next video and stay blessed. Greetings and checking out from your Dr. DIY's channel.